Let me give you a really quick win, something that I think will help you in your business right out of the gate here. Every single prospect who calls me or emails me for my core business, which is conducting media training workshops, public speaking workshops, presentation trainings, every single person who contacts me gets a personalized video just like this, where I mention them by name and I send it right back to them. And they love it. They always tell me, TJ, you're the only vendor we reached out to. You're the only media training firm that did that. And the reality is I'm saving myself time because I'm not having to type and retype and edit to look for typos in a text document. My client prospects get to see me. And here's the thing. Yeah, there are a gazillion other courses on Udemy about how to edit, make it look slick. I don't do any editing. I have the remote control here. When I'm done talking, I hit stop. Not too complicated. I hit start and I talk. I hit stop and I stop talking and I'm done. And then I just email that proposal right to the client prospect. And they're impressed. They can hear me, see me, get a sense of what I'm all about. These are the sorts of tips I want to give you in this course so that you're not just talking about video and you're not just doing the slick corporate video with music and special effects and dissolves and graphics. There's a place for that, but that's not what this course is about. I want you to get comfortable using video for all of your communication. And that's what we're going to learn right here. Stay tuned to the next lesson.